Now, with wildfire season in full swing across Utah, local fire districts are highlighting ways that homeowners can make their homes more defensible in the event of a wildfire threat. ABC4's meteorologist Nate Larson is in Tooele County with more.
With the threat of wildfires increasing across the state, here in Tooele County, the North Tooele Fire District providing homeowners here in the urban areas some tools to help protect their homes and hopefully avoid new wildfire starts. July has been hot with above average heat for much of Tooele County, and it has also been extremely dry, a pattern that isn't changing anytime soon. The tall grasses and shrubs surrounding communities in Tooele County are drying out, and the new wildfire property assessment program will help residents understand how to create defensible space around their property.
And we'll send 2 wildland firefighters out to your home, and we'll give you a free assessment and give you some tips and tricks on how to avoid, things like embers landing on your property. Any way to create defensible space between the wildland urban interface like you see behind me and your structure, your property, your business, your farm, whatever it happens to be.
You can tell people to mow and you can tell people to take care of their property, but a lot of times, unless you are specific to their needs or their actual house, they don't know what to do.
So far, one of the hardest things they tell us is finding the right time for both homeowners and firefighters to schedule these assessments. In Tooele County, I'm meteorologist Nate Larson, ABC4 News.